Are we rolling? Are we? Oh, okay. I'm back. Hey there. My name is Innerman, the creator of the Innerman Arts channel. This is where I document my journey to become a great artist and creator, in order to provide relevant information to any of you that decide to undertake a similar endeavor. Now, as someone that wants to create a webcomic, and then a series, and then a film, with my own characters in it, I'm always looking for ways to improve my artistic abilities. However, it can be so frustrating at times, you know? I mean, there are so many courses online, so many videos, so many articles, so many lessons, but you just don't know where to start. And I was about this close to giving up, but that's when I stumbled upon the Drawabox community. Now, what is the Drawabox community, you may ask? Well, we're going to get into my experience with Drawabox, how it's helped me, and if it can help you improve your art as well. And we're going to be doing that right about now. Basically, Drawabox is this website where they have a bunch of lessons that show you the fundamentals of drawing, and they get into some very advanced topics as you progress. And I've been using Drawabox recently to help me improve my art abilities. Not only does the Drawabox website include articles and lessons for you and some valuable homeworks, but it also has a link to the vast Discord community. It's filled with a bunch of people that are dedicated to improving their art, and they're willing to help other people that want to do the same. After each lesson in Drawabox, there are a few homework assignments they have to do if you're actually looking to improve. Then once you're done with those assignments, you post them into the Discord server or onto the website. I've been doing a few of them myself, and I want to share with you the process that I've been using to practice. So let's get into that right now. Oh wait, hold on. Before you submit your homework assignments to the Discord server for Drawabox, you're gonna want to use a pin. And I actually got flamed for not submitting my assignments in pin, so I don't want you to get flamed. All right, let's get into it. So one of the first exercises that he does is superimposing lines, and this is really about just focusing on getting like a nice line while also focusing on drawing with your shoulder. So you get a ruler like this, and then bada bing bada boom, you just draw a line like that, and then you just start drawing a bunch of other lines on top of it, and emphasis on the shoulder here. Bam. Oh god, that was so bad. But I'm just gonna keep going. This one was really bad, but the point is to not worry about how bad it is and just focus on drawing with confidence. And you want to fill up the page, so I'm just gonna do that right about now. Okay, I probably could fill this up a bit more, but I think you get the idea. Alright, on to the next exercise. Now, the next exercise that Drawabox really emphasizes in the first few lessons is ghosting lines. So all you need to do for this one is just draw 2 dots here, 1 here, and then ghost your lines. Just slide your pen across the paper without actually touching the paper. And then once you are ready to draw, you just draw a stroke like this. But make sure you check out the website. It actually has the required amount of homework assignments that you should do. And yeah, I'm just gonna fill this up real quick, and then we'll do the next exercise. Alright, I think that's a decent amount. Really trying to draw with my shoulder here. No, not trying to draw my wrist or my elbow. And let's go ahead and get to the next exercise that Drawabox shows us in the first few lessons. Alright, last exercise I'm going to get into, and then you can go ahead and check out Drawabox for yourself, is just ghosting squares. Not squares, like little rectangles or something. What was it? Like 4-sided figures? Rectangles? Whatever. So just ghost lines like this. You draw 4 dots, of course, and then you just ghost your lines and make like a rectangular shape. So like this, like that. And I'm trying not to wiggle as much. It's kind of bad right here and here. But I'm just doing my best, and I'm just trying to move on no matter how many times I mess up, because it's easy to like get hung up on like the mistakes you've made. Once you have this, you're going to draw diagonally from this dot to this dot. Ooh, I missed. Draw diagonally from here to here, and then draw from up here to down here, and then right through the middle horizontally. That's kind of terrible, but let's roll with it. All right, now I'm just gonna fill up this page like before. All right, that is the last exercise. Oof, I don't know about you, but my right shoulder is dead. I try to do Drawabox exercises about every day for like at least an hour. Then once I'm done with the homework assignments, I post them into the Discord server. My submissions were straight garbage, if I'm being completely honest, and they're still garbage now. But I try to work on just drawing with confidence, and then the skill will come later. I'm a very impatient person, but you know, we're working on it. I went to rehab and stuff. I didn't go to rehab. I'm still impatient. But yeah, make sure you check out Drawabox. Let's wrap this video up. So in a nutshell, I highly recommend using Drawabox. It's really helped me out, and I think it can help you out as well. I'm gonna leave a link to their website in the description below. And yeah, that's just about the end of this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it, that is. And also, make sure you follow us on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter, and check out the Innerman Experience podcast on Spotify. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, this is your... I was gonna say this is your boy, but that's kind of it's kind of generic. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, this is Innerman from Innerman Arts, signing off.